Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Update on my pressure washer I bought yesterday. I've checked the carburetor, everything's fine. I've checked the valves, everything's fine. Gasoline's good. The only thing I've not checked yet is the ignition coil. That could be bad. That may need to be replaced. This is a $299 product, $300 after tax. I bought it at Lowe's for $50. I paid, I think, $52.80. I don't have the receipt with me, but this is a Lowe's product. I've been wanting one for a while, just couldn't afford one, but hopefully I can get it running. When I bought this product, the information was on it. It said quit running, was not repaired. So I've looked at the spark plug's fine. I've looked at the spark plug wire, that's fine. I've looked at the carburetor. I've even opened both of the pitcocks underneath here. Both of them are open. They're running fuel clean. The only thing I've not checked so far is the ignition coil. That could be faulty. I may have to replace that. So I'm going to do some more diagnostic on it here in a few days, since it's currently raining out. I've also checked the oil. The oil's fresh and clean. Fuel's ready to go. You just gotta take your time with small engines like this. You can't get mad at them. But with that said, guys, I'm gonna get in here and start looking at parts for this. People have asked me about my riding mowers. That one is running. It just needs the carburetor cleaned out and new tires, but the engine is sound. This one right here, I've not had a chance to really try to start it yet. It needs new tires. Every one of the tires are dry rotted. As far as I know, the engine is sound. I put in a new filter. I've cleaned out the carburetor. I put on a new fuel pump, new fuel filter, new battery, new solenoid, new spark plugs. What you need to see if an engine is going to run is you're going to need your fuel air, your pumping fuel into the intake for it to gather spark. You're going to need probably a fresh battery. Also, if it's not wanting to run, you got a bad solenoid. Here's the things you want to check if you're not getting a mower that's wanting to start. First of all, check your solenoid and make sure it's clicking. Check your voltage on your battery. Check your carburetor, your fuel pump, your fuel filter. Also, check your, see this right here? This is your Mac needle. This sends voltage and spark to your spark plugs. It spins and causes a spark. Put in new spark plugs. Well, that's it, guys. Again, I'm going to head off here and do some things around the house. But if you need any information about mowers, I'll be glad I'll be glad to help you. And also, I will be posting more videos about my current projects.